When Americana approached GoGlobe, their request was clear. They needed a digital platform as strong as their brand. Not just a redesign, a complete transformation. The old website didn't reflect their scale, heritage, or ambition. It was holding them back. We rebuilt everything, from structure to storytelling. The result? A bold, mobile-first corporate website that now works as a growth engine. Every audience, investor, job seeker, and customer now gets a clear, confident experience. Since launch, Americana has seen plus 40% time on mobile, engagement across investor and HR pages, increased credibility with partners and media, trust across stakeholders. But we didn't stop at design. We delivered a platform that's built to evolve. Their team can now manage pages, launch updates, and scale content, all without technical headaches. And this is just the beginning. The platform is ready for localization, investor tools, advanced analytics, whatever comes next. With GoGlobe, it's never launch and leave. We provide strategic support, performance monitoring, and real-time improvements, so the site keeps delivering long after day one. Americana trusted GoGlobe for a reason. Now they've gained a platform that grows with them, and a partner that's invested in their success. GoGlobe, your profit, our priority. Let's strategize together.